All right, let's talk about dustpan and broom sets. Thank you to the company for gifting this one to us. We just received it, and I'm going to show you how easy these things are to put together. So it comes with everything that you need. It does come with a little instruction guide here. On this one, all you have to do, we got one connection, two. Now, I needed a new one of these because the other one we had, it kind of broke. Oh, that is the wrong. No. That one goes there. Why is it not going in? Is it supposed to be a... Oh, because I have the wrong one in there. That would make sense. Okay, let me undo this one. There we go. Okay, so those three, you have three that go with the dustpan, and this little connection piece is going to be where the broom will connect to. So now let's do the broom. So I already have these two put together. This is the top handle for the broom. So 1, 2, 3. This plastic piece is what I was trying to put in for the dustpan. That plastic piece is what's going to connect to the broom. So that's why it was not connecting. The one thing I do like about this broom, though, the bristles on here are pretty, they're a little different. It's a very... maybe a little bit more, it's stiff, but it's not too stiff to where it's going to get everything off of the floor. And also there's a lot of bristles in here. Another thing that I really like about it is that on the end of the broom here, you are going to have this little piece there on the dustpan that is actually going to be easier for you to use the dustpan. So it's going to have that little lip there for you to, here's some junk, have that little lip there for you to be able to kind of scoop the junk off the floor into the dustpan. And then of course it does have the teeth there for you to be able to get off the hair that you're going to pick up off the broom. And then when you're done, it snaps. Another one about this, man, that is a heavy duty snap on there to where it's going to stay pretty good. So, and then you could just store it. You could store it in the corner. It would fit easily, you know, over here for us to do, or I'm probably going to put it in our pantry. So that way, you know, it'll just sit right there in the pantry, easy access for us to get it in and out. But if you're looking for a new dustpan broom set, this would be one that I would definitely recommend. The suction that this has on here for the broom and the handle, it's pretty hard to get those two off of there. I really got to pull at it, so it's not just going to fall off, so that's nice. But if you're looking for a new broom and dustpan set, this would be one that I would definitely recommend. One thing I do want to see before the broom, oh, looky there, even better. The head of the broom will fit perfectly in the dustpan for it to be able to store a little bit better so you're not messing up the bristles. So that's even better. So again, if you're looking for a dustpan with a broom combo, this would be one that I would definitely recommend you try out. And thank you again to the company for sending this one over to us. We really are going to enjoy using it.